Hi friends, I am doing open house today on this beautiful house at 1115 West Griffith Way, Fresno 93705. I am showing you the surroundings of this house. This beautiful house is located on the corner of West and Griffith, very near to Ashland and West. There is a Save Mart right there, and there is like this small shopping complex there, McDonald's there, KFC there. Beautiful surrounding, a very quiet neighborhood. I am doing walking towards the house. You can see the house from outside, very good curb appeal. You can see from here we are walking towards the house. Beautiful landscaping here, green. Now we are walking towards the house. This beautiful door, it has beautiful glass in it. Now we are here. You can see the living room. Beautiful living room, nice floor. As we enter from the living room, you can see there are 3 bedrooms right here. Beautiful windows, beautiful bedrooms, nice size bedrooms, closets. First bedroom we are already out. This is second bedroom. You can see all brand new paint. Nice doors, all painted, very good paint job. Third bedroom. This is the guest toilet. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, guest toilet. We are going towards kitchen. Very nice kitchen. Gas stove, nice range hood. This is the place for the refrigerator. Okay, a big living room, or you can say dining space also. And the best part is the master bedroom. How spacious is master bedroom, you can see. Very spacious, nice closet there. One full bath in this master bedroom. Nice, everything fixed here. Nice windows, nice blinds. Look at the quality of fan, lights. And there comes the backyard. Okay. Nice size backyard. Okay, so the house is 1800 square feet and the lot size is 7000 square feet. In case you are interested in this house, call me. My name is Puneet Bhargava. DRE number 01859500, and my phone number is 559-274-7025. I work with Guarantee Real Estate in the Willow and Knees office. Anytime you have any questions, feel free to call me back. 559-274-7025. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.